Hey friends, it's Jill with Texas Gardening Gal. Happy Friday everyone. So just got in the car, sitting in the garage, wanting to go over to H-E-B, which is a local grocery store here in Texas, and see what they have plant wise. I'm really looking for some tomato plants. One of my goals that I would like to do here in the future is start making my own spaghetti sauce. So I want to find some tomato plants, and we'll see what else we find. I may still try to start some by seed, even though I may be a little late in the season. But hey, you know what? I've had other surprises come up when I was told, hey, they're not going to come up. So we're just going to plant seeds and buy plants. So let's get over to H-E-B. Hopefully I don't buy more than I really need. So just pulled in to the parking lot, and it actually looks like they have a bunch of new items that are waiting to be placed on the shelves. So let's go see what they got. All right, so what do we have here? Some Lemon Boy tomatoes, sweet banana peppers, serrano peppers, jalapenos. So it looks like there are some celebrity tomatoes here on the other side. So we're going to go ahead and get a couple. I'm going to get 4. And my husband Mike loves banana peppers, so I think we're going to get one of these. And we'll do 2 jalapeno peppers. And they're only $1.29. Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. We're gonna go ahead today and get our tomatoes, peppers, and our marigolds. What else did we get? I think that's it. And in the meantime, we're gonna have to, I don't know what to do with this corner anymore. We need to take 2 herbs out and replant those. I'm just not 100% sure where we're gonna put those yet. We need to move this beautiful one and this one. They've been in here for over a year though. With this being a rosemary plant, we're just gonna leave it there and plant our tomatoes behind it. Okay, so what do we have here? Remember right, we got 2 of the Mexican mint marigolds. And then we did get 2 of the celebrity tomatoes. Do I plant 1 or 2 over there? I know you're just saying, plant 1, plant 1. I might plant 2 just because. God, I trimmed my yard and I got grass all over me, and it's so muggy out here, guys, today again. The humidity is nuts. And it's not even really that hot out. That's the thing. Okay, we might just go ahead and plant 1. And I did have a tomato cage thingy, but I think with this trellis, we'll just let it grow up the trellis if need be. I'm gonna snap off these bottom ones here, and I dug a real deep hole. Sorry if you hear a chainsaw. A lot of people are still cleaning up after Hurricane Laurel yet, so. All right, so we got those 2 sides snapped up. Little Daisy, where's Daisy? Daisy's right behind me. And there is 1. We'll just stick this back here. Hopefully Dee Dee won't get all nosy and get in it. I wonder if we could split, I wonder if I should try to split these up and then put 1 next to that tomato plant. I think we might try that. I'm gonna take little pieces of this here and see what we can do. And it actually looks like there is 3 separate plants, so I was able to separate them. All right, so we got 1 done, and now to this one. And I don't know this raspberry bush. I guess we'll just take the dead leaves off of it and re-water. This heat really kind of knocked it out a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and fill this up with dirt. So I had a whole bag of soil left with this. Planted the celebrity tomato here, a basil plant here, and a jalapeno pepper plant here. Oh yeah, and I forgot I added this too. And we're gonna try a little experiment. I've never done this before, but I'm gonna cut this hole out right here, this little part here, so there's a hole, and we're gonna grow a tomato upside down in a basket. Never tried it, but we're gonna have some fun. All right, so there's that. All right, we got it in there. Let's go get some soil. There's the third tomato plant, and we have one more. We could put it in that other pot. What do you guys think? And here is the third tomato. So we have 2 in pots, 1 in a barrel, and then the other is in the metal raised bed with the basil, pepper, the marigold plant, herb, they call it again, I'm not familiar with Mexican mint marigold, with the thyme. What should I put over here? I don't know if I should even bother because I know this raspberry bush is going to come back, and it has an herb over here as well, so we'll probably leave that. So we do have the basil left, a jalapeno pepper, and a banana pepper that we could plant over in those far raised beds. Over here I have 2 rose bushes, but I have a lot of space up in front, so I'm probably going to put the Mexican mint marigold over here. I'm going to put the pepper over here and the basil over here, and then I have one of these like little tower things that we'll put over the pepper plant to stabilize it. Dee Dee wants to say good morning now. Dee Dee's out here. Dee Dee, he's got to smell everything. Look at how humid it is, guys. I'm just sweating. So it's time for a quick water break. It's pretty humid out there, and Okay, so what I've been doing now is I have another raised bed where the sunflowers were that I removed those out, and we'll be putting, what did I say I had left? I have the banana pepper and some of that mint, that marigold mint. So we'll put that back there too as well. We'll put the marigold in front and then the pepper in the back, and then we might as well just clean all these beds out. So I have 2 more raised beds I need to clean out and finish mowing the backyard, and we're good for all the rain that's forecasted to come. Wonder if I have any marigold seeds left. We could plant those in that hanging baskets where the tomatoes are. That would be kind of cool. I can't believe out of all the seeds I have in here, I have no marigold seeds. I guess we can plant some beans over in that one corner. Well, yeah, March through August. Let's do it. We'll plant some beans. And the only fresh soil I have left here handy is maybe 3 bags of this. So we're gonna use this and kind of sprinkle it on all the new plants that I have in seeds. And this little area here was where I was saying, hey, let's just put a few green bean seeds and see what happens. These are the ones I'm gonna try. And yep, I know I put a lot of seeds down, but hey, some of these might not even come up. So let's go ahead and cover it with a little bit of soil, and we'll give it a water here in a bit. I got the one back bed cleared out. I have a mom that just kind of grew a little out of control, but I'll have to trim that once I bring my scissors out here. It's 9 in the morning, and it's so hard to explain. The humidity is so high here, but it's not hot. Does that make any sense? It's not hot, but it's super humid. We cleaned this area up here, planted some green beans over here. This is the mum I'm talking about that just has kind of gone crazy, and snapdragons. And then we planted banana pepper and that marigold mint over there. I still need to clear this out. This is all chocolate mint and corn that really didn't amount to anything. So we'll take care of that later on. Here's my eggplant that's really never done anything besides flower and grow and no eggplant. And in here is a watermelon that's doing pretty good. It's trailing all through here, down out of the bed, and all throughout the bed, so that is a definite plus. And we got these taken care of and rose bushes trimmed. And then we got this filled up with the tomato. Look at the dragonfly, do you see it? He's zipping around me. And here, green beans back there. And we just left this as is. that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me finally get my backyard cleaned up and new things started for the fall. And thank you to all you subscribers out there and new subscribers that have been trickling in. If you haven't subscribed, please think about hitting that subscribe button. Hit the bell for notifications. Lots more videos to come. And I need to go to the grocery store before it starts raining, and we're going to look for some marigold seeds and we'll get some planted. Bye guys. Thank you.